Today, we've got some truly exciting news about the Nothing Phone 3. We finally have a launch month, and a whole lot of new details are coming into focus. If you're a fan of Nothing's bold design and innovative features, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the biggest news. The Nothing Phone 3 is officially launching in July 2025. Nothing has dropped a teaser on their official channels, confirming the July window. So we're not guessing anymore, we know it's coming this July. And based on the teaser, it's looking very likely that July 3rd will be the big day. Even more exciting, the Phone 3 will finally be available in the United States at launch, expanding Nothing's reach after a limited North American presence with previous models. That's great news for fans in the US who've been waiting to get their hands on a Nothing phone without jumping through hoops. Now, let's talk about design. While detailed leaks are still limited, there's no doubt that Nothing will stick to its signature transparent back and glyph lighting system. There have been some rumors about the glyph interface getting an upgrade to RGB lighting, which would make notifications more colorful and customizable than ever. But, to be honest, this isn't confirmed yet, and it's more likely that the glyph lights will stay white, perhaps just a bit brighter or more refined this time around. So if you're hoping for full RGB, keep your expectations in check. The classic white look is probably here to stay. As for the display, the Phone 3 is expected to feature a 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and high peak brightness, possibly up to 2000 nits. That means you can look forward to vibrant colors, super smooth animations, and great visibility even outdoors. The camera system is shaping up to be a major upgrade for the Phone 3. Nothing is expected to equip this model with a versatile triple camera setup, a large primary sensor, likely from Sony's latest lineup, for sharp, detailed photos and excellent low-light performance. A periscope telephoto lens for high-quality zoom shots, possibly bigger and better than before. An ultra-wide or macro lens for more creative shooting options. On the front, you'll find a 32-megapixel selfie camera. If these camera rumors hold true, the Phone 3 could be a serious contender in mobile photography, especially with the addition of that periscope lens. Battery life is always a big topic, and the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to deliver improvements here as well. The battery capacity should be around 5,000 mAh, or possibly a bit higher. As for charging speeds, we can expect rates in the 50-watt range, plenty fast for most users, ensuring a solid top-up in a short amount of time. On the software side, the Phone 3 will launch with Nothing OS 3.2, based on Android 15. Nothing has been putting a lot of focus on AI integration, delaying the launch to ensure these features are fully baked in. Expect an AI companion that learns your habits, adapts the interface, and offers smarter notifications and app management. The glyph interface is also expected to get some functional upgrades, even if the color remains white. If Nothing delivers on these promises, the Phone 3 could be one of the most exciting Android flagships of 2025. What do you think about the Nothing Phone 3 so far? Are you excited for the July launch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Before you leave, check out this video on exclusive leaks and rumors about the Pixel 10 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.